Hello everybody, my name is Sabrena and I'm a programmer at the People's Library. Today for Storytime, I'm going to be reading two different stories. The first story is Halloween Ghost by Charles Reasoner, colored and designed by Russell Gresmer, published by Picture Window Books, a capstone imprint, copyright 2015. The second book is Eek! Halloween by Sandra Boyton, published by Workman Publishing Company, Incorporated. Copyright 2016 by Sandra Boynton. Halloween Ghost. I'm a Halloween ghost. I can float through the air. Ooh! I can fly through a wall just to give you a scare. Ooh! I'm a Halloween ghost, full of tricks and surprises. Ooh! I can make myself into all shapes and all sizes. Ooh! Ooh! I'm a Halloween ghost on Halloween night. But don't be afraid. Just turn on the light. Ooh! And that was Halloween Ghost. All right, everybody. Is everybody ready for a sing-along? We're going to be doing 5 Little Ghosts. I think you got this. 5 little ghosts went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. Back to the house, only 4 ghosts flew. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ghosts went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. But back to the house, only 3 ghosts flew. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ghosts went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. But back to the house, only 2 ghosts flew. 1, 2. 2 little ghosts went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. But back to the house, only 1 ghost flew. 1 little ghost went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. But back to the house, no little ghost flew. That little ghost went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. And back to the house, all 5 ghosts flew. 5 little ghosts went out one night, haunting, spooking, what a fright. Mother Ghost said, boo, boo. And back to the house, all the 5 ghosts flew. Great job, everybody! That was awesome! Alright, everybody, there is a link to that song in the description below. Also, in the description below is a link to a rhyme of This Old Ghost. And I suggest you check that out because that's fun as well. And there is a list of the supplies to make this ghost garland behind me. It's a spooky ghost garland. And what you'll use for that is white paper, your second useful tool, is imagination, which is not listed in the supplies, but you're going to need it. Because you take a black washable marker and you draw the outside lines of your ghost, and then you'll cut them out with scissors. And you can draw all different kinds of shapes. You don't have to stick with just one. And then you glue on your eyes, and you'll use that same black marker, and you'll draw on his expression. And this poor ghost has the expression that he's very confused by what's going on. All right, everybody. On to our next story. Eek! Halloween! By Sandra Boynton. There's a big round moon in a dark, dark sky. The chickens are nervous. Do you know why? It's because strange things are happening. One saw a pumpkin with flickering eyes. One saw a mouse of enormous size. One met a duck with ridiculous feet. One heard a robot intone, "Trick or treat." They all saw a witch. And a wizard, too. Yes, the chickens are nervous. So here's what they do. They all hide their eyes. They don't dare to peek. Then someone shouts, "Boo!" and the chickens go, "Eek!" What's going on here? What does it mean? Relax, silly chickens. It's Halloween. And that was Eek! Halloween. All right, everybody. Also linked below is a craft on how to make a puffy ghost by cutting out the shape of the ghost and gluing on cotton balls, and then cutting out black eyes and a black mouth with construction paper and gluing that on. And this is very fun because then you can go around and scare people with it. Boo! Also linked below is a Hoopla recommendation for Hooray for Halloween, Curious George by Margaret Ray and H.A. Ray. All right, everybody. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye!